Hello everyone, today we will introduce the auto modeling feature under the road scene module. First, let's talk about the Create Road Area function. The road area is the foundation for automatic road modeling. There are two ways to draw the road area. The first method is to activate the function and manually draw the area. Note that each point you click must be placed on the ground, and the drawing range should encompass all road elements that will be modeled later. The second method is to construct the road area based on the road sideline layer, which is the more recommended approach. Therefore, before drawing the road area, it's necessary to first draw the road sideline. Users can utilize the Detect Road Sideline function within the map element to draw the road sideline. For the Type parameter, select Curb. After setting the parameters, you can directly proceed with automatic detection. If there are issues such as missing data, unclear edges, or low curb heights, you can switch to manual mode to draw the road sideline. Once the road sidelines are drawn, you can proceed with the road area delineation. Click the Create Road Area button. According to the prompt in the upper left corner of the view, click the left mouse button to draw a closed polygon area. Click the first road sideline to start drawing the road area. When drawing, please note, to better fit the road area, the software only supports selecting non-closed edges to form the road sideline. Objects like flower beds or solid barriers are considered closed edges and cannot be used as boundaries for drawing the road area. Continue clicking the left mouse button to draw the polygon. Users should also pay attention to the fact that the internal area of the road area cannot have self-intersecting situations. For example, if a self-intersection occurs when selecting the second road sideline, the user can press the R key to reverse the selected road sideline. Additionally, any vector objects located within the polygon of the road area must be complete. For instance, arrow signs on the road must be fully contained within the polygon. Finally, press the Enter key or double-click the left mouse button to complete the drawing of the road area. The drawn road area is saved in the road surface layer. That concludes the introduction to the Create Road Area function. Thank you for watching.